ho sa Senado ay may patakaran sila na kung ano ang tatalakayin today, dapat naka-agenda. Hindi basta-basta pwedeng isingit. Dumating alas 5, patapos na ang sesyon. So hindi na pwedeng isama. Panoorin nga natin yung huling eksena. Nandiyan na ba yung video natin?
Interest to aid in crafting relevant legislation. At this juncture, Mr. President, I move that we adjourn the session until 3 o'clock in the afternoon of Monday, June 2, 2025. So move, Mr. President.
There is a motion.
May paliwanag ho si Senate President Chis Escudero. Pakinggan po natin, Senador Chis Escudero.
Wala. Legally, it cannot be done.
So,
Legally, it cannot be done, again, as I said, because the impeachment court was not convened. The impeachment complaint was not referred to plenary for there to be a basis for the impeachment court to be convened by the Senate sitting as a legislative body, hindi muna as an impeachment court.
Ayun. So, wala. Legally, it cannot be done. Ayun. Because the impeachment court was not convened.